Hello guys, welcome to PhotoApp Computer Science, and you are watching PhotoApp with Kotlin Firebase tutorial series. Mr. Tayyib Mughal is here, and in this video we create user profile. So we required one image, so I import Control E, import this and select path. Path is no, I select desktop, so I created a folder on photo app assistant set. Okay, next select here and select this and import here. We import our image and go to index, and you can see here our photo is image is here. Now we need to add on. Now we need to add to our folder, so I explore this, and you can see here's our folders, and also I require this, so just we need to add this pic to our folder. I just did to screen so you can see easily. Okay, now next we need to HTTP, so I copy this and paste it. Oh, sorry, that paste here, and I remove this image, and also no, it's not required, so I copy here and also check. Okay, here's after this. Next we need to add this one here's, and also need hairs, and also this. Okay, our image is ready, so I verify it and go back here. So you can see here, so go here and upload this. You can image is not, background is here, image is here. Okay, you can see is our image is here. Now we need to make profile activity, so I go to here and choose a empty activity. No, this time it's named to user activity. Okay, user activity, so finish it. Go to and settings, change this to relative layout. After this we need to add a background. Okay, you can see waiting for build to finish, and you see here we need to edit text and update one button, so we add this. First of all we need to image view. When user click on image and go to gallery and choose a image, how when to use as a profile. Okay, so I rename it to user image view. I assigning ID, so go to back and select a plain text, put here match parent, and also need one more to for one for user name update, and then for status. Okay, and one need to add a button, then his with his match parents. Okay, we rename it to username here, and also we need to add user status. User we add user profile status, and also this user profile, and also user profile btn. And it's time to change this to text to update, and also change background thing to my back. No, I see our design color is background color, thing color is white, so I choose here white, and text color to my color. And after this we need to add mhm, we need to add 13 dp. No, it's not good. Add 18. Yeah, it's good. And also need to add a all capital to text, all capital to false. Okay guys, so next we need to add padding, so I go here, add 18 padding. Okay, and also change this, remove here user username. Here first we add username, new username. After this activity we fetch user name and status at a time. User see first user name, then change, and first see user status, then change. Okay, so I remove just hint, add just hint. So we need to add all our thing is okay, our profile is okay. No, I need to remove this one. So go to main user active user, we need to add user profile activity later, but I change this, it is not good, it's my mistake. So it's we need to add I cut here and delete this activity and made a new activity, because it's when we load information we confuse which activity we need. So I remove all to I create it. Hi guys, you can see I change this user activity to user profile activity, because when we working on different user activity we confuse which activity user profile activity. So I change yes, you can easily change, just change, I change this name user profile activity. Okay, yeah, if you can delete this activity and made new activity and just added new image, edit text, and also yeah button. So our activity is ready, applying change. So I go to here and toast I stop this. No, I remove this toast too and create a while uh, user profile, just a name so I can not confuse again. So application and application constants nest users profile activity double colon Java class Java and start activity intents and user profile. Then we need to finish. No, finish, not finish. Come back to this activity. So I run this app. We working with backend in next video. This video is very lengthy. I do not like very lengthy video, so I like just only 10 minutes. You can see here's our activity. When I click here, you can go to our activity. Here's user emails and user passwords, and also click. If you guys like this video tutorial series, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends and class followers. And if you have any confusions, any questions, any suggestive, if you want to add some new features, so you suggest me on Facebook and comment on inbox comment box. If you have any questions, so send inbox on Facebook. I shall reply you. So see you in next video. Allah Hafiz.